fucking done! Two and a half months, nearly 50,000 attempts. I done fucking 120,000 attempts to that level. 120 hours, what am I saying? God. Holy shit! All of you out there who want to be an extreme demon, all it takes is a lot of practice. My hardest demon before beating this level was rearmed. That's like a medium insane demon. I jumped all the way to the 28th hardest level at the time of saying this on the list. I am so happy I did not die at that end. If I had died at the end of the level, I would have been so pissed. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude. And add an additional 15,000 attempts on my laptop. I'll have the full total in the description if y'all want to see it. But oh my god, I am just in disbelief right now.